You're not ready. It's okay. Keep chewing. Just make sure I don't get hit.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome to my vlog. Today, Sarah and I are going on a little South Congress adventure. We just spent the last 20 minutes trying to park. I should have been vlogging that. That's the real tea, is trying to find a spot to park.
It may have been 30. It was a long time.
So we kept getting stuck at lights and the lights aren't long enough. And then we're trying to park in a spot that's not a no parking zone. It's been a challenge, but now we're gonna walk. Sarah wants to get some last minute gifts, and I think everyone else in the city did too. But yeah, I'm gonna show you some of the shops. We're gonna walk around. We got some dessert from our dorm, so she's snacking on that.
Oreo fudge.
That sounds, ugh, it was really good. But yeah. This is all the stuff that Ashley really likes.
Yeah. If you were here, I'd probably get you that.
That's so funny. Okay, I want this. Look at how cute that is. I love it. I should make a note of it. Do you use it though?
Tapestry? I don't know. It kind of goes with the floor, but you get it easy.
These are very me.
Those are great.
I like the pink. I think it's pretty. I like it. I feel like I can wear these.
Oh god, they're in the square, but they're on the top.
I like it. I need to write down what they are. Okay, we have been all over the place. We got a gift for Sarah's dad. I guess we've only got one thing, but we've just been going all around. We're waiting to cross so we can go take a picture. You're so washed out.
He signs at
Wait,
the same time.
so let's do it like this too, because this will, just in case.
Me staggered? Oh, you're filming!
Yeah! Getting a thumbnail, just in case. We have
okay.
extras.
Oh, this arm?
Oh, maybe we're doing good. Do it. Perfect. So Sarah and I have been shopping. You want to show them? Got a bag. She got.
What's inside? We don't know.
Ooh, we can show later. Sarah got a fun thing though for her dad. We've kind of just been wandering around, taking it all in. I think we're about to leave soon.
Actually, I totally could. He doesn't want me to.
Yeah.
Nutcrackers.
Oh wait. It's
That's
so
my
cute.
man.
It's all so bright.
That's my man.
Oh my gosh, come, let's get closer. Oh, I love it. That's so fun. Those sunglasses are one of the best things you ever bought.